Hi there, Greg Nanigian here. I want to invite you to a complimentary workshop where you would be commingled with paying participants. The workshop is for supervisors and managers and anybody that leads a team of people of any sort. The workshop is entitled Managing Organizational Change. So it's a leadership training program that will help people to transition through any type of organizational change, such as an upgrade to software, a new employee, a new compensation plan, a new policy within the organization, a change in location, for example, moving from home back into the office, moving from the office to home, hybrid positions. All of these changes that we go through with our team members create, well, initially denial, then resistance, then exploration, and then acceptance. What's key for us as supervisors and managers is to know how to manage through those four stages of organizational change. Most people are going to push back when they have denial from team members, and that's the opposite of what you really want to do. So we're going to talk about how to best manage through organizational change. You're invited to participate for free. All you got to do is register. It's a real training program. It's not a promotional program. You're going to get a lot out of it, I promise. Bring another supervisor with you if you want. I'll look forward to working with you then. Take care and good leading.